Hello there, and welcome back to the 5 books. Do you want to learn piano? Do you want to know the best strategies and mindset to improve your piano skills? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books and tips to play piano. Let's jump in. Book number 1. How to Read Music in 30 Days, by Matthew Allule. This first book is essential to understand and play piano sheets, with a step-by-step program. Tips: examine the piece, memorize key signatures and understand rhythm, practice regularly, sight reading, breathe, relax, and keep going, even if you make a mistake. Book number 2. Alfreds Basic Adult All-in-One Course, by Willard A. Palmer, Morton Manis and Amanda Vick Lethko. This book is perfect to improve your piano skills, with a proven method that works. Tips: know how to position your wrist and fingers when playing piano. Learn and memorize all the piano keys, and set a daily piano practice. Book number 3. Adult Piano Adventures, by Faber_Randall Nancy. This book gives you a powerful complementary piano method you can use to take your piano skill to the next level. Tips: practice to feel and move your finger on the keyboard. Pay important attention to the rhythm of the notes. Challenge yourself, get inspired and learn from experts. Book number 4. The Virtuoso Pianist, by Charles Anon. This book gives you exercises to build speed, agility, strength and precision in your fingers when playing piano. Tips: work on each finger, vary your finger exercises and learn new techniques. Know that with time you will gain piano endurance and a better ability to play notes. Book number 5. Simple Songs, The Easiest Easy Piano Songs, by Hal Leonard. This last book filled you with inspiration with simple songs you can start playing now. Tips: choose to start learning simple music that you would love playing, stay inspired and consistent. With time you will build your skills and be able to play more complex music. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books to learn piano? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. Wishing you all the best in your piano practice. See you.